Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. Firstly, swipe down to the top right corner to open Control Center. Here, select the focus mode. Tap on New Focus at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Custom. Here, choose the color and type your name. Select the icon here that will appear next to your name. Tap on Next. Tap on Customize Focus. Go back to the home screen. Pull down the control center. Select the focus mode. Now enable name icon. Now click on three dots and select the time. Now see. Now see the name appearing on the lock screen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.